Ninth standard Rizalites, good morning to one and all. Hope all of you are keeping fine and being happy. Because of the impact of the epidemic in 2020, many of you not yet gone out to play well. But the flowers in the parks and mountains are blooming as scheduled. The flowers are blooming. And you too, the blooming birds of SFS school, 9th standard, are having a golden chance to continue your studies and not in regular method of learning but in different mode of learning experience. Definitely that is online mode of learning. So welcome children to this English session which is handled by Sister Jarabi. Before entering into the learning, let me tell you the important thing. Please do take it very seriously. There will be assignments at the end of each session. Is it clear for you? Don't ever skip any assignments given to you. I will check it. Okay, shall we start the learning? The first unit, we are going to learn about the best advice I ever had, which is written by Vijayalakshmi Pandit. So before entering to the lesson, let us learn something about the writer Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit was born on 18th August 1900 in Prayagraj. She was an Indian diplomat, politician, and a sister of India's Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. She was active in the Indian freedom movement and held high national and international positions. She was greatly influenced by Gandhiji and identified with the struggle for independence. Her husband's name is known as Ranjit Sitaram Pandit. After her husband's death in 1944, she traveled in the United States from late 1944 to early 1946, mainly on a lecture tour. In 1953, she became the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly. Mrs. Lakshmi Pandit died on 1st December 1990. President Ramaswamy Venkatraman described Mrs. Pandit as the luminous strand in the tapestry of India's freedom struggle. Now let's go towards the warm-up activity. There are some of the pictures are given. Identify the following great personalities. Have you noticed them anywhere else? You may be heard of them somewhere else, but still now we are going through one by one. The first question is, the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly is Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Second one is, the first woman judge of the Supreme Court of India is Mrs. Fatima Bibi. Third one is, the first woman IPS officer of India is Mrs. Kiran Bedi. And the fourth one, the first woman president of India is Mrs. Pratibha Patil. Fifth one is, the first woman Prime Minister of India is Mrs. Indira Gandhi. The last one is, the first woman governor in India is Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Now we are going to learn about the lesson. The best advice I ever had came from one of the greatest souls the world has ever known, Mahatma Gandhi, on a sunny afternoon a decade ago. The advice of Mahatma Gandhi inspired Vijayalakshmi Pandit and changed her life. Next, most people pass through a period of anguish when their belief in humanity is at a low ebb. I was in such a period. My husband had recently died. My deep sorrow over his loss was followed by the humiliating realization that in the eyes of Indian law. Let's learn the summary of the lesson is. The lesson is an article written by Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. It is tribute to Mahatma Gandhi's role in her life. She has shared a few awkward situations in her life where the advices of Gandhiji had helped her to deal with them in a better manner. Mrs. Pandit underwent a period of anguish when she lost her husband and she was denied the share of family property as she had no son but two daughters. Her in-laws supported the Indian law and did not support her financially. She was very much hurt because of the injustice done to her by her in-laws. Before going to America as an Indian ambassador to attend a conference, she went to pay her respects to Gandhiji. Gandhiji asked her to meet her in-laws before going to abroad. She refused to do so as they were responsible for her problems and difficulties she faced. And Gandhiji says, no one can harm you except yourself. He said, still smiling, I see enough bitterness in your heart to cause you injury unless you check it. I remained silent and he continued, you are going to a new country because you are unhappy and want to escape. Can you escape? Will you find happiness outside when there is bitterness in your heart? Think it over. Be a little humble. You have lost a loved one. That is sorrow enough. Must you inflict further injury on yourself because you lack courage to cleanse your own heart? His words would not leave me. They gave me no peace. After some days of severe struggle with myself, I finally telephoned my brother-in-law. I would like to see you and the family, I said before leaving. Students, here we are stopping and some of the new words you can learn. Go through the lesson and read again and again and understand it properly. You have to find out new words 20 from your textbook and learn it. Humiliating means embarrassing. Galling means annoying. Reason means feel better about. Courtesy, good manners. Anguish means severe mental. Thank you.